Testing 1, 2.
So the really amazing thing is Angry Birds is now on the web with Chrome.
And it has huge explosion.
Exactly. It's like a couple of guys, middle of nowhere, can actually
Make explosion.
get a game out there to hundreds of millions of fans. And the number of downloads, it's a simple metric. If you look at some of the other numbers with...
Mustache is funny.
And that's one thing, actually. Chrome is a great platform for any developer, thanks to auto updates.
Auto updates.
Chrome is a great platform, thanks to WebGL.
WebGL.
Chrome has amazing frame rate capabilities.
Frame rate capabilities. Are you angry, Peter? You look angry.